Hello my art viewers. So we are again back with other milk and mocha video. So this is artist Pavna here. So we'll see how to draw this milk and mocha. So they are celebrating Christmas. So that is illustration and we need to illustrate. So first of all you need to adjust your pencil. So hold your pencil properly before you actually draw the process, and you can see how I adjusted my pencil. So make sure your pencil is really good enough to do the artwork. And if you don't use mechanical pencil, make sure your normal pencil lead is really sharp enough to make the artwork, because the sharp lead will give the sharp strokes and you can erase it properly and you can make adjustments easily. So that is the reason behind why you need to keep your pencil lid sharp. Okay, so these are the major and basic things you must know before you are starting. So if you are beginner, I am just saying for the beginners. So if you are the advanced one, so I think you already know, because you already experimented several things and you must know everything. And yeah, so first we are drawing the Christmas cap for milk. So this first thing we are drawing milk, and then we'll see mocha. So make sure you see the adjustments and the dimensions using your fingers only. So don't use any scale and any measurement tools, because as you are practicing now, make sure you are drawing with freehand, because this freehand drawing will really help you to improve more. So when you are taking up the challenging projects, make sure you are using grid method. So grid method also you need to do using the grid maker app for the artist. So that is the app which will provide the grids and all. So if you are taking challenging one, use the grid maker app. So if you are comfortable with the outline without grid, it is well and good. If you are not, please use grid maker to get the accurate measurements. So you can see here I am using the freehand drawing only, and with freehand I am drawing the outline. So here and there adjustments you can do. So you can use eraser, there is no restriction of you should not use eraser. So we are marking her cute eyes. So you need to measure, okay, the between gap is this much and here the nose will be, you need to calculate in your mind. So nothing is difficult, just calculations and all. So the in between these two eyes will keep this small nose and all. So you can see how easily I'm illustrating and anyone can do. So do with me, pause the video and do with me. So this is really a beautiful illustration and I personally love this illustration. And these two are really so cute and everyone will attract to this milk and mocha. So if you don't know this pair, you can search on Google milk and mocha pics, milk and mocha gifts and all. So many and many are there, lot many. So you can see and you can also try. Okay, if you don't like this one, you can try other things. So this are the good pair and yeah, I love them. And now you can see how I'm creating the lines. So I'm using double triple lines of outline. So there is no problem, as I know how to do, but also I'm thinking to do. So before drawing a single line, I'm measuring, I'm calculating everything and I'm doing. So there is no problem, you can do slowly, but make sure you're not making mistake. And while practicing, do make sure that you are using eraser as less as possible. You can see in this artwork how I am minimizing the usage of eraser. So when you minimize the usage of eraser, the perfection level will be high. And if you practice on doing that, it will be really helpful in your future. So if you want to take art as your career, you need to must you need to focus on your things very clearly. So always take up the new challenging works and don't stick on one work. Like don't draw all human faces, don't draw all god faces, don't draw sculpture. So you need to experiment all things. So when you're trying one sculpture, next time draw the human face and human face after human face, the fruits, flowers. So you need to change things. So you should be flexible enough in order to take up any kind of works. So this is a small key point I want to mention in this video. So particularly this video is all about the beginners as well as the advanced one also. So if beginners are seeing this video, make sure you are practicing daily. And if at all you want how to use grid maker and how to use grid method, I'll provide a video. So we'll take this small artwork and we'll do using grid maker app and grid maker method. Okay, so yeah, we can do milk and mocha only using grid method. So once you're trying grid maker app and grid method, you need to first take the really small artwork. You need to experiment, because after lot of patience and lot of efforts, the grid maker outline will come. And if you are spending more time on the big challenging work and the results are really not so good, you will feel bad and you will feel disappointed and you will feel demotivated. So according to me, if you are trying grid maker and grid method, do take up this small thing like milk and mocha. You can try milk and mocha on grid maker. So I'll show first milk and mocha and then we'll do the challenging grid. Okay, so if you request me, I'll do how to use grid maker and all. Okay, so if you really want that video, please do comment below. I'll provide a video maybe next week or next week, but I'll provide. So if you want clear explanation, I can give clear explanation, and I don't want to hide any things. As you all know me, I'll not hide any things like others. So I'm not saying others will hide, but I'll reveal all my secrets and all. So if you really want that video, I'll provide. And you can see how this cute couple is coming up, and we are adding one on one, and they are looking really perfect. So I love this pair so much, and I am really planning to do this drawing since the last 2 months, I guess, but now it is all here. So I'm adding a new playlist, milk and mocha, so you can see my videos on it. So already this is second video. If at all you missed the first one, do search in my playlist and do watch it. And my favorite thing, so we are almost done with outline. So the enhancement part is really my favorite thing. So if at all you love the enhancement part, do watch it completely. So this enhancing is really most important part, and everyone must try this because enhancing will really add on value a lot. So do try this enhancing part. So here I'm using outline pencil of 10B grade. So if you don't have this 10B grades and all, so do try Camlin or outline if you're beginner. So Camlin is around 55 or 50, I don't remember, but yeah, this outline pencil is 70, around 70. So if you want to try this all grades, first try these two brands because they are reasonable and you can get it. So this is most important, so don't waste resources, as I always say. And okay, here we can speed up the process. So if you don't want to enhance things also, you can see the speed up process and you can try. So let me speed up the process. So if you want or don't want, please do watch it completely, because these are my efforts and really means a lot if you watch my complete video. You can see everything how the process is going, and this is easy process. So just adding the values here and there and just darkening the areas which you really require. So here you can see I'm adding few little dots, few little corrections and all. So if at all you don't want to show your previous outline, you can erase it simply using eraser. And here I'm adding few black and gray regions so that the milk and mocha will look really attractive than the white piece. So here we are adding shadows and all. So in this way you can highlight everything, and if you want to add colors also, you can add red color to both caps, and you can make anything and everything. So it is up to you. And here I'm adding little one layer of graphite powder. So in this way our milk and mocha are ready. So you can see how they are looking. So yeah, I hope you loved this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon to get new updates. And don't forget to tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching.